Dahil trending ngayon si sitaw, maraming nang nagtatanong kung si sitaw ba ay talagang nag-ooperate sa Pilipinas at siya ba ay may mga legalities. Ngayon, tutunghayan natin at ano ang meron kay Sitaw. About the company. Sitaw is a leading online cross-border e-commerce platform that provides a seamless and secure online shopping experience to customers worldwide. Founded in 2020, Bricks E-Commerce Pte. Ltd. And the parent company of Sitaw. Sitaw Philippines, also known as a New Sitaw Corporation, was established on October 4, 2022. The company is committed to delivering the highest level of customer satisfaction by offering a wide range of quality products and competitive prices. With a team of dedicated professionals and robust technology platform, Sitaw Philippines is poised to revolutionize the e-commerce landscape in the Philippines and beyond. At syempre, titingnan naman natin ngayon ang mga legalities na meron dito. Meron po silang Security Exchange Commission, yan po yung katunayan na sila po ay naka-register, no, sa SEC. Yan, New Sitaw Corporation, SEC numbers 2023050098912-03, date approved 2023-05-12. At syempre, meron din silang business permit. Yan, at BIR Certificate of Registration, Barangay Business Permit. At syempre, marami nagtatanong at nagsasabi kung talaga ba daw na mayroong nangyayaring delivery. Of course, meron po kasi andito po ang company warehouse na matatagpuan po natin sa Barangay Bulihan, Plaridel, Bulacan. At syempre, yung mga partners po natin, yan po. At syempre yung cooperative partners. At syempre yan, makikita po natin yan, ang office ng ating sitaw, no, na matatagpuan po diyan sa 12th floor Cocolite Building, 39th Street Corner, 11th Avenue, Bonifacio, Global City, Taguig City, Metro Manila. May phone number po sila 0287127516. So yan po, at makita natin na si sitaw ay talagang legit. Pero, siyempre, kailangan pa rin natin do your own research. Thank you.